Mortgage. It is the life goal of all couples, man and wife, to live in and own their own house someday. But house and lots do not come cheap. The price tags of a house in many subdivisions are beyond what many couples make in a year. For example, this beautiful house in Camellia Homes, Malvar, which has a floor area of 100 square meters and a lot area of 110 square meters, has a total contract price of a little over 5.1 million pesos. However, many couples like it when their house and lot have a spacious front yard and backyard, but these are even more expensive. This one, for example, also from Camellia Homes, has a floor area of 166 square meters and a lot area of 175 square meters. It has a tag price of 7.8 million pesos. The cheapest from this same subdivision is 1.5 million pesos. But these are row houses. The dream house for many Filipino couples is a single detached house with a spacious front yard and backyard. Just exactly how much does a common employee, employed by either the government or private company, make in a year? On average, an employee makes 200,000 pesos in a year. Even when both mom and dad are gainfully employed, it would take them almost a lifetime of savings to buy a dream house. But they do keep some money. They do have some savings. They do have some money, but it is not big enough to pay in cash the full contract price of a house and lot. But with their savings, what they do is they pay only a partial payment, and the balance will be paid through a loan. This is where a mortgage will come in. So the type of loan that will apply to buying a house and lot is called mortgage. It is a loan that can be had when one wishes to buy or to own properties. But it is a special type of loan that can be had only for properties in which the ownership of such properties is supported by a legal title. For land, it would be the land title, and for motor vehicles, it would be the certificate of registration. The legal title is a proof of ownership that is recognized by the laws of the land. Examples of legal titles are land titles, deeds of sale, certificate of registration of motor vehicles such as motorbikes, cars, trucks, and boats. The leading institutions that give mortgages are SSS, the Pag-ibig Fund, GSIS, the National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, and the Social Housing Finance Corporation. It is enshrined in their mission and vision to help their members and to help Filipino couples buy and own their own houses. There are other financial institutions, mostly private banks, that also give mortgages. Banks like BPI, BDO, Metrobank. They team up with real estate developers to work out a viable amortization plans for borrowers. If a property had been acquired through a loan, the legal title for that property contains an addendum that says that property is under mortgage. In the old days, they used a rubber stamp to stamp the word mortgage and also to stamp the name of the lending bank. Being placed in a mortgage means the title holder of the property is giving the lender a conditional and temporary ownership of the property as security for the loan. The full and complete ownership of the property will return back to the title holder only when the loan has been paid in full.